Go.
Be our, I forgot.
It's all right. Just play with it. It don't matter. Be our guest. Be our guest.
Be our guest.
Am I making you nervous? Here, tell you what we'll do. We'll do it like this, and I'll just do it on Lumiere, and you make him talk, okay?
Okay.
And that way it's not on you. It's just on Lumiere. So make him dance, and he starts. You can stand behind him. I'll just get your shirt. You want to get behind? Okay.
Be our guest. Be our guest. Be our guest.
Be our guest. Be our guest. Put our service to the test.
Wait, I'm gonna do it how be our guest, be our guest, be our guest. All those good old days when we were useful. Some of those good old days are gone. 10 years we've been resting. Needed so more than resting. Needed exercise and chance to use those skills. Those days we just lay around the castle, fat and lazy. When you done it over daisy. Be our guest, put our shoulders. Okay, I'm done.
Put your napkin around your neck, Cherie, and we provide the rest.
Cherie love.
Around your neck, Cherie, and we'll provide the rest. Well, I don't remember that either. That was good. Yay, yay. He needs to bow. There you bow. Oh, there you go. There you go. And this was Sarah. Yay. Take a bow. Oh. Are you guys going to go over and do the production code?
Yeah.
Do the production code, Julia. You going to do the production code?
Julia.
Go with Sarah.
Okay,
Wait, you got to get right there so I can see your feet. Right there. Okay. Oh, God. Okay, you ready? Do the production. Do the production. Do the production code. Yay! They did good, didn't they?
One more time.
Okay. Okay, let me go back so I can see your feet. I'm probably making whoever watching this sick. Okay.
Are we going to see ourselves?
Yep, you can see yourselves in just a minute. Okay, ready? Do the production. Do the production. Do the production code. Yay! Very good. Very good. Huh?
How about Rain Rain Go Away?
You want to do Rain Rain Go Away? Okay, let me come up to
I'm
you.
going to dance like Rain Rain Go Away.
Whoa. Okay, you ready?
Let me see how it goes.
Ready? Okay, go.
Rain Rain Go Away, come again another day.
Ta-da!
How about it's raining, it's falling. It's raining, it's blowing, the old man strolling, he's jumping, runs his head and couldn't get up in the morning.
There you go.